So I went on the 4-hour time frame. I've been finding that I've been getting some really good entries on the 4-hour time frame. I found yet another area here where price could possibly want to reach down into, but sometimes it just doesn't happen the way that we plan, guys. So I had this area marked up, but I said to myself, hey, the minute that price reaches into this area or a little bit lower, I was going to call the signal out, and I was going to be targeting this high right up here. Right, okay. This was going to be the take profit. Is the actual signal that I gave out. You'll see all of that. So I had the stop loss right down here, and price did retrace a little bit. I started to get some messages, you know, that price was retracing. This is originally the stop loss, the take profit was here, but I think that I did lower it a little bit just because we were walking into a holiday. So let's press play. Okay, price came down into that 4-hour, like we were saying. I think I gave the signal somewhere around here, and let's watch it. Retrace a little bit down here. People were getting a little bit worried, but I'm not worried. As long as the stop loss doesn't get hit. And guys, we came right up to this zone. This was the original TP. We came right up into that zone, and then we kind of like retraced just a little bit here. I think the day before I kind of told everybody to just start taking some profits. I noticed that we created some equal highs, little supply maybe for a retracement. So I am looking for possibly a little retracement. I did call the same move for S&P 500. Let's go over to S&P. Okay, guys. So here it is. We hit take profit on that too. This was that daily bullish OB. Price did not reach into that 4-hour, which is okay. It just simply played around in that daily, which is fine, and we hit take profit on that. And I also gave the signal for NAS 100 as well. NAS 100 actually took profit first. I don't know why it's not here anymore, but this was the area right around here. Let me just walk you through that. Here's a daily time frame. No, we did it on the 4-hour. It's cool. We did it on the 4-hour time frame. Right down here, price created a little demand. So this was the entry where that demand was created. We had the stop loss originally just to protect ourselves right down here, just in case. And this was the take profit. I have to take profit somewhere around here, right here, right there. And we hit take profit on basically all three. We hit take profit really nice. This is what helped us get that. I think we were at 1,633 points in the market. We also took a really nice trade on gold. It was a sell. That this trade was completed within 6 minutes into the supply zone right over here, and then this was the TP into the kind of thing, to more so like holding, really enforcing the proper risk management. So there was my 5K trading day unfolded, guys. I hope that you enjoyed this video. It's a very simple setup. daily time frame, just following what the market is showing us. File structure was really easy, but if you are having a hard time, go over to your line chart on your trading view, and you'll see here easily that a high, low, higher low, higher high, liquidity grab, higher than this previous high, higher low. This low is higher than the previous low. This high is higher than the previous high, so is the low. And again, we pull back to get some kind of discount, right? And then we continue up. So what we want to see here happen is that we break the high, create a new high, and then we come back somewhere in between the swing high and the swing low, and we just continue until US30 shows us otherwise. So guys, I hope you enjoyed. The way to support this channel for free is by liking and subscribing for more videos. Thank you guys. Catch you later.